Hey guys, running Kimono here. So we're going to jog through the best use of the 5 off of 30 gain coupon along with the 5 off of 25 over at the Dollar General this week. So if I could recommend to go on Saturday the 28th, that's when you'll have the biggest amount of savings. If you want to go any day before that, it'll be an extra $5. But Saturday is when that big double dip happens. Bring a pad of paper and a pen to write things out the old-fashioned way in case these numbers get you, messed up. I would absolutely use the Dollar General app to scan items in the store to make sure that you're grabbing, the right item with the right scent, because the gain line, there's a whole bunch from Moonlight Mist, Aloha to Magic. There's so many different ones that you just don't want to grab the wrong one that's not attaching with the 5 off of 30 and then it creates a mess. So use the Dollar General app to scan. I will leave a video at the very end on how to use the Dollar General app, and any issues you might have at checkout, you can always void your transaction at the very end if things do not balance the way that you think they should. And these are Michigan prices as well. So if you're in a different part of the US, I'm up here in the north of Michigan, so kind of a rural area, the prices might be a little different than where you're located. Okay, and just to show you guys, a couple weeks back when they had a 5 off of 20 for the gain, pairing it with the 5 off of 25, yes, they do in fact stack. If you look below, it says store coupon under the items. That's when you know the double stack is in fact working. And it's just to make sure that your math balances perfectly with your transaction. I know this can be kind of intimidating. I posted a video on Sunday just to get a couple freebies. If you're really new to this, maybe go to the Dollar General, try picking up a couple freebies with digital coupons, see how that goes. This is a little bit more advanced, but once you can master this, I mean, come on guys, look at the savings right here. It's absolutely worth trying to figure out how to shop at the Dollar General for items such as Gain or Cleaner or stuff like that. You can't beat their prices. It's just absolutely a great store. For a lot of you who can't get the manufacturer coupons from the inserts, if you go to P&G Good every day, there's 3 different printables right now for Gain Flings, so you could possibly toss that into one of your transactions. I haven't been using this site to upload my receipts in a while because I think they were being quite stingy with gift cards. At least that was my experience. Maybe they've worked out some things, but if you need internet printables, usually print them the day before and they expire within a day, so maybe the morning of, print them out and you can use them. Also, a little bit of a thing, your store might not accept internet printables depending on the store's policy, so you would know best if you can use them or not. And if it is almost impossible to use either an insert or an internet printable at any store, you might want to consider using the coupons.com app. Right now, there's 5 different Gain digital coupons, and it's pretty straightforward. You would just go to the store, buy said product, then photograph your receipt, send it off to the app, and between 1 to 3 days, they will PayPal you the money for however much it is. So this is a manufacturer coupon. You cannot stack it with another manufacturer coupon. That's a big no-no. But you can use this if you buy an item you don't have a manufacturer coupon for and then get your money post. I have a video I will link in the notes if you want to check it out, and it gives you a very decisive tutorial on how to use this app. It's very powerful if you live in an area that does not get the Gain coupons, or you just want to get the Gain, you want to get some of these Gain deals working for you. This is an avenue to take where you can get your hands on these coupons and, get in on a fabulous deal. So this is just an opportunity with coupons.com, the app. It's very easy to use and I really enjoy it. It's a lot of fun to use actually, guys. So I will leave this video in the notes, and there's a little link too if you want to sign up for the app if you've never heard of it. And it's a really great app and very easy to use. I've been using it now for about a month and I have saved in the last week $7. I mean, come on. Okay, so deal number 1, digital coupons, and then we're using the coupons.com app. You're going to need your 2 cornerstone coupons, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. So specifically, I'm trying to get into the store on Saturday, the 28th, to do this deal. So the first item that we're going to grab, guys, is a Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50. So we're going to have to make sure that the following digital coupon that we have this guy loaded onto our store card, which is a $3 off. So have that guy loaded right away. Okay, so off of this bingo sheet, we're going to grab one detergent product and one fabric enhancer product for $6.95. And we have one $2 digital manufacturer. And I think this is good for laundry or a fabric enhancer product, so it is your choice. And then on the coupons.com account, there is a $2 for a fabric enhancer product. So whichever fabric enhancer product you want to grab. We're also going to grab one of these guys, which is a bag of the pods for $3.95, or flings, and this is, I believe, the 14 count. And then if you head over to the coupons.com account, they have a dollar back when you buy one of these products, so it's 12 to 20, and we're buying, in fact, a 14 count bag. Okay, so looking at the math for this one of the Gain Flings 51 count is $13.50. Two Gain fabric enhancer products, if you're forgetful like me, it's probably the easier way to go. $6.95 a pop, so that's $13.90. Or alternative, you can get one detergent and one fabric. It is your choice. And then one Gain Fling 14 count for $3.95. Adding that all up together, that's a total of $31.35. After the last item is scanned, punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $16.35 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. And then you're going to make a submission for $3 to coupons.com for the $6.95 fabric enhancer and then the bag of 14 count flings. So that's $3 back you're going to get through PayPal, making it $13.35 for the 4 items, or $3.33 per product. If you go onto the coupons.com app and take a little tour of the amount of Gain coupons that are there, you're going to see that it's going to be a very valuable app to use with these Gain deals over at the Dollar General. Okay, so deal number 2, we need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 loaded. And let's not forget, guys, these boosters are of a one-time use, as are all digital coupons. We're going to grab 2 of these guys for $13.50. This is my absolute favorite detergent to buy because there's so much in it, easy to store. You give somebody this for Christmas, it's like giving somebody a pot of gold. It goes over really well. So we're going to need the following digital coupon loaded. That includes the $3 digital on your store card. So this guy, make sure that you have it loaded. And then over on the coupons.com app, you're going to have to activate this guy, which is a $3 back when you buy this 51 count of the Gain Flings. So we have one digital from the app and then one from the coupons.com app. We're also grabbing this guy for $3.95. And then on the coupons.com app, there is a dollar back when you buy a bag of the flings. So please activate this. Like, how great is that app? That's $4 of money you're going to get back through PayPal. Doesn't get any better than that. Okay, so looking at the math here, 2 of the Gain Flings 51 count at $13.50 a pop is $27. One bag of the Gain Flings 14 count is $3.95. Adding those 2 numbers up, that's a total of $30.95. After the last item is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers for the one Gain 51 count. So you're left with paying $17.95 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. And then you're going to make a $4 submission to coupons.com, one for the 51 count of the flings for $3, and then $1 for the smaller bag of the flings. So that's $4 back that you're going to get through PayPal. It makes it $13.95 for the 3, or $4.65 per product. If you consider that you're getting $27, like those big massive containers of the Gain Flings, $4.65 is a pretty good deal. Okay, guys, so the last deal that we have, we're going to need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have both of those loaded to your store card. Okay, so off of this little bingo list, we're going to get at least 1 fabric enhancer and then a detergent, or if you want to get 3 fabric enhancers, that's completely your choice. You need this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. It's either a laundry or a fabric enhancer product. Whatever you want, just make sure you use the app to scan to make sure it's attaching. One of the fabric enhancers, this is from coupons.com. So if you want to get like a Gain dryer sheet, the 200 count for $6.95. That would be ideal. And then from the Retail Me Not, you're going to need one of these coupons for a $2 off, a fling or whatever in this magical list that's 17 miles long. So just grab one of these products. I would grab flings because I really like those pods. And then we're also going to grab this guy for $13.50. And then no big surprise, we have a $3 digital coupon that's attaching to this guy. So those two work really well together. Okay, so looking at the math for this little dealio, guys, we're going to be grabbing 3 Gain, like a detergent and then some fabric enhancers. So 3 of them at $6.95. That's $20.85. One of the Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50. So your total for all of this magic is $34.35. You will present one $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of November the 8th. After that coupon is scanned, you punch in your phone number, your 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of $30 general coupons are coming off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. The 3 for the 51 count of the flings plus the $2 for that $6.95 Gain product. So you will pay $17.35 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. And then you're going to make a $2 submission for the fabric enhancer to coupons.com, and you will get your money back via PayPal. So the final price for this basket is $15.35 for the 4, or $3.83 per product. Now, if you do not have that $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not, you might want to go to P&G Good Every Day, see if they might have a printable for that, and if your store might accept printables, you might be in business to do this deal just in a different avenue. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.